Hey guys, how you doing? So it's so funny, I have no makeup on, I just woke up, this is what I look like. Blah! Anyway, I want to tell you, how do you fix your iPhone when your volume says it's all the way up but you can't hear anything, and underneath the volume button it said headphones. Yesterday this happened to me and I was like so bummed out because I looked all over the internet and all I kept finding was that if you get one drop of moisture in your earphone, it's ruined forever, and you gotta take it to the iPhone store. If they see it's moisture, it's not covered under warranty or whatever, and they won't replace the phone. So it kind of sucks, you know what I mean? So anyway, what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to show you how I fixed this. I fixed it in one night. What I did is I put it in rice, and I used those little tiny, these little tiny things that you get when you get vitamins or pharmaceutical goods or any kind of dry goods or anything like that. Like, they'll put these things in them. So start saving these and put them in a plastic bag. And then what I did is I put them in a container of rice. I stuck my entire phone in there, sealed it, and just had it overnight. And the next day, bam, it worked. So hopefully this works for you. I'll flip it around and show you exactly how I did this, and rock and roll. You're gonna have a brand new phone. Don't go get it replaced. They said try sticking things in the end and all that. I mean, you can try that. I wouldn't try that. I would try mine first, and then, you know, leave a thumbs up right below right there. There's a little thumbs up right down there. Leave a comment. Encourage other people to do the same thing. I love you. I'll show you real quick. Okay, catch you in the next segment. Alright guys, so here you have it. Here is a container of rice. Underneath here, I just have tea bags. You don't obviously need to put the tea bags down there, just empty tea bags. But all of this is just rice. So if you can get to your store and just get rice, that's what you want to get, okay? And then I just took all my these are the silicone packs that go, just start collecting those and put them in a bag. I just put all of these, I put these kind of around the phone and then pretend like my hand is my phone. I stuck my phone all the way into the container. So my phone was all the way down, completely covered by the rice. And then what I did is I put these plastic bags, I just shoved them in here to just kind of take up that space so no air could kind of get out. And then I took this bag, I doubled it up, okay? So it's really, really complete here. And then I took this glass piece and sealed it, okay? And then I just sealed this on the top. I'm trying to do this with one hand while I hold my camera. And then just left it like this, okay? So you can see that. So the phone was right in there. And I left it overnight. The next day, boom, it's fine. So hopefully that works. Remember, send your light, send your truth, and always be a warrior. I love you guys. Mwah!